Okay, here's another issue of Fun with Hair Dryers coming at ya. This is the Walgreens exclusive Spartan JFO. One of the things about the JFO is that these little fork thingies, sometimes they come in bent in the package. So I'm gonna see if I try something. One of my June action figures, the knife on his shoulder was bent, and through the magic of hair dryer or hair drying, I warmed it up enough to the point where it took its shape back, so it's not bent anymore. So I'm gonna see if I do this on camera and see if these JFO thingies, which look kind of bent, you see these are like not in the same shape as these, so let's see if heating them up will make them straight. The video might get a little noisy, so I have the dryer on high. Let's just heat up this. I count for about 10 seconds. And you can probably see it's bending into shape. Let's try the other side. See that? So now, to the magic of hair dryers, or a hair dryer, the points are straight up. See? That's their natural state. It was warped because of the packaging. And when it cools down, it's going to stay like that. So this is Aries0083 with another tip for using your hair dryer to fix your action figures. One last thing. Whenever you unplug the hair dryer, I see over here, there's two buttons. You always have to press this button. This is the red one. It's to reset the dryer, and then you can unplug it. If you don't do that, you end up messing up your hair dryer, because what happens is the current stays live. So when you unplug it, it's like you just disconnected it, like if it was on. So that messes with the motor in the hair dryer. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will get to reviewing sometime this week. Bye.